Every single time I've won a major account that brought me in the room beyond my scope of work, it's because I told the truth. See, nobody inside a company anymore will tell anybody the truth because the leader is somebody they just want to placate and tell the leader what the leader wants to hear. So, as an outsider, you can come in and actually tell the truth. And that is so valuable. I had a meeting with the head of the COO of Fox Networks Group. He wanted to take FX, National Geographic, Fox Sports, and Fox Broadcasting Network and put them into one sales team so that one sales team could sell all four offerings. It was all siloed before that. And I came into the room and it was just the two of us. And the meeting had been set up by the president of digital for Fox Broadcasting. So I came in highly recommended, but I still had to win the day, right? So I'd never met this man before. He had this gorgeous, spacious office at the Fox studio. I sat with him and asked him, "What is keeping you up at night?" And then you close your mouth and all you do is listen.
Mhm.
That meeting could go for an hour without you talking again. If you are a good listener and you pay attention and you say things like, aha, so what I heard you say is that having siloed sales teams has become problematic and it's inefficient. Did I get that right? And he'll say, yes. And you say, tell me more about that. So all you're doing is
Sure.
repeating back what you're hearing. So then at the end of the meeting, when he was all done, I said, I'd be thrilled to help you create this brand for this new sales organization, a new go to market strategy, and a pitch deck, and train all your salespeople on how to use it. And he said, wow, that's really great. You could do all that? And I said, absolutely, I could do all that. And as I started, and he said, well, it was really nice to meet you. Let me mull this over. And I walked out of the office. I put my hand on the door and I looked back in at him, and he was standing up, waving goodbye. And I said, it really was so wonderful to meet you. I hope you give me this project. I'd be so honored to do this collaboration with you. And then he looked at me and he said, well, I have one question for you. And then he named the name of somebody very high up in the company that he knew I had worked with at Fox Digital. And he said, what do you think of that guy? And I said, I think he's an asshole. And he said, you're hired. So
Truth.
I took a chance, but I told the truth. I was clear. I was authentic. And consistently, I would go and tell him the truth for the next 4 years as we successfully built out the operation. And I would get the
That's awesome.
projects over and over again because I would sit and he brought me in on everything, not just the marketing, everything, because no one would tell him the truth. But I could.
Yeah.
That was my job as a consultant, as the outside service provider. It is your job to tell the truth. If you're inside the organization, it's tricky. You could get fired. But if you're outside, they're counting on you. And you can get to know what your client wants to say that they can't say because they're inside. And then you say it. But it was really Laura who wanted me to say it, who's my client, to her boss. See, so you can even be the conduit to the truth.
You were the messenger,
I can
essentially.
be the messenger. Let him shoot
Yeah.
me or get mad at me, but he won't because he's paying me gobs of money to tell the truth.
Right. Right. I love it. This is a great story.
I could tell you so many stories where I told the truth. I can't even begin, but it makes the client feel they can trust you because they know
Absolutely.
you're taking a risk that others won't.
Yeah, for sure.